myself. Here we are in Suita. We're going to a really amazing factory. Well, the way we think of factories, they consider this a factory because the family started off just basically wholesaling and making noodles, and they started in 1927, so this is like a fifth generation family business. Osaka basically had, according to the research I've done, up to 330 different factories that were pumping out noodles for the whole area. And because of mass production and because of modernization and everything else, they couldn't compete. They brought it down to about 35. Yeah, so this is one of the few, but again, it's also generational because fathers would pass it off onto their daughters or their sons and teach them how to make it. And so some of the masters would just die away because they didn't produce any progeny to create these noodles. So they just go, well, and there's no one around and I really don't like the assholes that are working for me, so yeah, it's done. So where are we going? I'm really excited because they also have a restaurant. And yeah, so it's going to be pretty interesting. It's they make three different types. They make ramen, they make udon, and they make egg noodles. They still do deliveries by bike. It's just like, when you're onto a good thing, you stick with it, eh? And it's considered some of the best udon in pretty much Osaka. So the bases might be good. They're pretty. We'll see what they're like. But I just want to make it clear that we're going somewhere that's very unique. And yeah, that's pretty much. What is? Oh no, sorry, 1912. Been going since 1912. And yeah.
Okay.
What else is there? I don't know the name of it, but what I will do is I'll put up the address when we get to the restaurant. I'll show it to you. And then we're going to Ishihara, which is a famous restaurant in Nagasaki.
Oh, in Shovel Boy's neighborhood.
Yeah, Shovel Boy's neighborhood. There's a lot of good restaurants over there. I mean, you just can't do them all. Jesus. We do 3 a day and I'm freaking out. Sometimes 2, because belly just gets so full.
And we also don't want to disrespect chef by leaving a lot of food.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, chef. I was really embarrassed yesterday, just really was, but nothing I could do. I wasn't feeling that crash hot, and I just couldn't eat anymore.
Here.
Yeah, we're here.
Okay. Well,
yeah, that's it. And they live here as well. It's 2-story.
where do you think the factory is? Clearly this is the delivery bikes.
Well, this is where they live.
Oh, that's adorable. Look.
There's the bike.
Famous delivery bikes. I think we've just discovered the factory.
Can you see it? Konnichiwa. Oh, I'm not taking off my jacket, I'm freezing. I have a ton of volume out of this place.
Arigato.
Ah, I see. Just.
OK。
Okay.
はい、どうしようかな。ヌードルオンリーか、あるいは、ライスセット。
No rice.
もうヌードルオンリーで
Noodle,
OK。うどんそば。
Yeah.
うどんはそば。
One
Udon.
one udon, one soba.
One soba,
One.
one udon.
OK。
Okay.
シュリンプ天ぷら。
Sure. Yes.
OK。
Okay. Okay.
どうしようかな。エッグは OK。なんていうかレアエッグ。レアなんていう。
Raw?
What's that?
I don't know.
That's okay. Whatever. Doesn't matter.
Good,
It's
good.
Okay. Okay.
ほんなら天ぷらそばと
Yep.
鍋焼きうどん。OK。
Arigato.
はい、お待ちください。
So we're trying. So they've got the soba noodles and we've got udon noodles, and that's the son. So he's the next generation. So the old man has a progeny that was looking after us. Oh, they do pack it.
That's obviously how they keep it, ready
And
to.
there's Dad. There's Dad. There's the rock star himself.
There goes the tempura. And this is clearly the factory.
Yeah, I'm really proud of coming here. These guys, it's just an honour to be in the presence of people that are so committed to what they do. Yeah, it's the ethos to their whole being. I mean, and it's a family business, and it's phenomenal to care that much, to give yourself away that much.
For all the customized machines.
Yeah, I just,
Dad customised them over the years. Utilised them for the most.
He's the best.
What was that?
I was just saying, I knew you were invading people's privacy.
I wasn't going to go and just traipse through the.
Oh, given half a chance, you would.
I love this. Look, it's Spice with a little shovel.
Yeah.
Very cute. So it's not the biggest venue. What? 4, 8, 10, 15 seats.
What's that?
15 seats.
Yeah. See, I don't think these guys really care about COVID. They've had their injections. They're not stupid. They're not paranoid. And it's a local. It's a local, basically. But it does deliveries. Dad does deliveries in the mornings for everyone. Soba.
Soba.
Fantastic. I've got soba noodles.
Oh, look at that big fat.
It's a nice, beautiful, clear broth. Basically miso broth from the soy. That smells beautiful. Oh, it's sweet too. Oh, it's so soft. It's so subtle.
鍋焼きうどん
Itadakimasu.
がゆっくり。はい。ちょっと待ってね。
It is a sweet broth.
It's beautiful.
So this has mushrooms. That looks like chicken. Bit of tempura crustings just for texture.
And the egg noodles. There's some egg noodles at the front. Nice thing.
Show me the noodles.
Oh, yeah. Really beautiful. Oh my God, the flavour of this. Oh yeah.
turn this around this way.
It's so worth it. Great. Yeah, right.
Hold on.
I've got to try these noodles, bro.
Wow.
Huh?
That is, it's a really firm, springy udon.
Well,
Wow.
oh, he's cooked that well. God bless him. And pork. Egg and pork. Portions are perfect.
Aren't they great?
Good for them. Oh, good. Nice, clean, simple broth. Oh. I really like the soba.
It's great. I'm keen to try this now. It's got the egg through it. See how that changes it.
People in Melbourne would freak out. People in Australia would freak out. This is so good.
So before this was really clear, and now with the egg through it, starting to get this sort of yellowy. Oh, it makes it almost creamy now with the egg.
Oh man. This is a hidden gem. This is, I would come back just to Osaka just to come here and eat. No problem. 100%. This is a hidden gem, man. I think that a lot of these restaurants, they see me walk in because I'm a gorilla. And they immediately fill up the bowl. Thank God these guys haven't done it. Oh man. As much as I want more noodles, I just don't.
Well, he did try to give us rice.
Oh, I just can't. It's really, I can't. It's really different to eat fresh noodles as opposed to anything out of a packet. They're so filling. They're still full of water and they still absorb more water. When I say water, broth. So, yeah. It's just different. It's really different.
And the freshness is unbelievable.
And the soda is so light.
Lunch! Right?